Friends, today I'm going to show that how to access Marketplace on Facebook. Friends, to access Marketplace on Facebook, first you have to open your Facebook account. It could be on the iPhone or the Android. The settings is the same, my friends. So if you use the iPhone, then you'll find the options at the down right corner. You have to tap on the menu on triple straight line. But if you are user of the Android, then you'll find triple straight line at the top right corner, right? Just tap on here at the menu. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then you have to go on settings. After that, you have to scroll up and then you have to tap on preferences, on notifications, right? Just under the notification, you have to tap on navigation bar. You have to tap on the navigation bar. Just tap on here on navigation bar and then tap on customize the bar at the top. Then you'll find here all the options, and on the hidden option you'll find here the Marketplace. See, it was hidden, right? Just you have to tap on the drop down sign beside of the hidden of Marketplace. Just tap on here. Then simply you have to tap on pin, and see, when you tap on pin, the Marketplace option has come at the down. There is home, video, friends, Marketplace, notifications and mail, right? Just tap on the Marketplace and you'll be able to access the Marketplace here, my friends. See, on your Facebook account. So like this, through the Facebook, you can access your Marketplace on Facebook, right? So friends, to access Marketplace through Facebook, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.